All right, tab key's done. Now we're on indentations. Here's some to read, some to watch. Look at that. I had 9 minutes. Showed you all the different kinds of indentations. I want to show you the house method. Let me go down just a little bit here. Okay. You see up on the ruler bar, you see that little house? This is mine, okay? This is what I said. That's the first floor of the house. That's the second floor of the house. That's the chimney of the house. Okay, and then way over on the right-hand margin, you see that? You can say that's the dog house or the outhouse. When I was a child, young child, my great-grandmother still had an outhouse, and I remember that. So anyway, first line indent, which is the first line there it is. It's the chimney. If you drag the chimney over, it makes the first line move over, but the subsequent lines don't. And let me just show you one right up here, right away, quick. You have to get your mouse point up into, you got to be careful, get the right thing. There, you see the tooltip? First line indent. Now you can click and drag over. That's all there is to it, which is an easy thing to say and much harder than that to do. Hanging indent is used for the works cited. We'll do one in a second. That's the references at the end of your paper. And then a full indentation, which is the first floor. I say full because it's not first and it's not hanging, it's full. So that would be the whole first floor of the house. There's not a good example to do it to. Here, let me do it on this paragraph. You see you have the first floor of the house right there. Get that point of the nose of the mouse up there, okay? All right, so that's going to move over the whole paragraph, and I explained some more there for you. So first, here's a simple left indentation. I showed you another method as well. You read that. So click here and indent. It's the first line. It's the whole indentation, so it's the first floor of the house. And I said move it over to the 1 inch mark. And then double indentation is used actually for a long quotation in a paper. That's mostly the only thing you would use it for. So typically that indentation is 0.5, a half an inch, 1/2 inch, not 1.5 inches, but 1/2 inch, half an inch. Did I say that 5 times because many students make a mistake? Yes. And what you do is drag both the first floor of the house and the doghouse toward the center by that much. And you can see now how it's changed from the regular margin. And finally, hanging indent. Let me click there. And this, remember, would be for the works cited page. But let's just do one now. And I have to get the point, the nose of my arrow there, the little mouse guy, up into the hanging indent, and then half an inch also. Okay? And it makes the first line stay at the margin and the subsequent lines move over.